Guys, and welcome to your first Unity 3D beginners tutorial. My name is Aswan and I'll be teaching you Unity 3D. So, what's new in this Unity 3D course? What we're gonna do is we're gonna learn all the components in Unity 3D, and we're gonna work in new and latest Unity 3D, which Unity has recently introduced. The version that Unity recently has introduced is 2019.1.7, and believe me, Unity has introduced a tremendous and very exciting features in this Unity 3D. Some of them are, as you know, if you are aware of Unity 3D, are Entity Component System, the new Unity Particle System, the new Unity Prefab System. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go all through these components and learn how they work and how to make effective games by using these features. Unity is one of the most growing gaming engine these days. So what's we're gonna do in this video is first we're gonna have a look what Unity 3D can do, and second how to install Unity 3D. So let's start.
Now, enough of talking and let's see what Unity can actually do. So, for that, I'm just gonna go on Google and type Unity. So, the first link is pop up about the unity.com, and let's see, just open it. Yes, the first of all, they have mentioned all the four basic points of the Unity, what Unity can do. First of all, Unity can obviously make games such like simple mobile games, instant games, augmented reality games, and especially VR games. And what the what is the best feature and about Unity is you can also make games for PC, and yes, the console games is also being made in Unity, which is a big benefit of making games in Unity. So the big industry, gaming industry, are also moving towards the Unity, which tend to make bigger games for console and the PC. So the second thing which Unity can do is the automotive, transport, and manufacturing. Yes, exactly. The automotive industry is also moving towards Unity because they can render their, like suppose they are making an engine and they want to render and look about its mechanism, but how it will going to work, then Unity provides the facility to show the working of the engine. Now the third part, as I have discussed, yes, now the third part, the film and animation and cinematics. As I have told before, the film industry is moving very rapidly towards the Unity, especially the animated film producer which wants to put the special effects in their movies. Then here you are, Unity provides you the platform. And the fourth one is architecture, engineering, and construction. We're gonna have deeper look in future. How can we do that? But it's just an introductory video, so I'm just explaining what Unity is capable of doing. So the fourth is architecture, engineering, and construction. As you people know, when you are making a house or a building, it's 3D render map. So the Unity is also being used to make that specific thing. Unity used for making the 3D view of the entire house, how it's gonna look like after construction. So I think you are getting the point. If not, don't worry, we're gonna have a deeper look in all of these things. So I'm gonna move forward and let's see what are the latest things in Unity. So Unity in 2019 has been introduced, and we're gonna also work in Unity 2019. So the approach we're gonna follow is we're gonna make some 2D and 3D mobile games first of all, so you can have a better understanding of components of Unity. As I think that's a better approach to learn Unity. When you are making a 2D or 3D games, you have a better opportunity to learn all the components, all the tools that Unity have made. That learning is more effective than you learn a specific part of a tool, specific component of Unity, and I don't follow that approach. So next thing, obviously, we're gonna do is we're gonna download Unity. So when you open the website, you can see that button get started. So click on that button, get started, and it will take you to another page where you can see the membership plan. So if you want to buy any uh, plus membership, it's only a $25 per month. The pro membership is only 125 bucks per month, and the personal, yes, Unity has a personal membership. You are a student, or if your industry is making less than 100K per year, then you can use Unity personal. Else you have to go for Unity Plus or Unity Pro. Obviously Unity Plus and Pro have some extra features than personal, but as it is for a learning purpose, so you can try a personal purpose. You can try the personal membership. So we're gonna click on try personal, and here is another page pop up. There are some terms of services. I'm gonna accept it is relevant to if I'm having an industry and it is making less than 100K, then I'm able to use personal membership. Otherwise I have to buy a plus or pro membership, so that's relevant to it. I'm gonna download Unity Hub. So next thing, yeah, it's gonna say me that download Unity Hub, and I'm gonna download it. And as far as download had been started, well, I have downloaded it before. It will gonna take some time, and I'm gonna show you uh, where I have downloaded it. Okay, so here is it is. I have downloaded it before. So when you're gonna download it, sorry, one thing more which I wanted to explain. I have a Mac machine. If you have a Windows machine, don't worry about it. Well, it's only a layout difference, nothing much a bigger difference. So don't let yourself confuse in that. If I'm using a Mac machine, if you're using a Windows machine, don't worry. It's only a difference of layout. So as you will find this setup, Unity Hub setup, just double click it and open it. It will pop up with this type of screen. So you have to press agree, and then it gonna show you in Mac. It's gonna show you like that, and Windows it will gonna show you the screen afterwards. I'm seeing. After that, you're gonna see a screen like this, but maybe not, because I have downloaded a Unity Editor 2019 before that. But your Unity will gonna ask you to download an editor for you, such like that. You're gonna see a screen like that. First you have to activate a license there. As we have discussed before, we're gonna use Unity Personal, so I'm gonna go and activate a new license, and it will show a pop-up that I either want to use Unity Personal or either I want to use Unity Plus or Pro. So I'm gonna go for Unity Personal, and I'm gonna say I had a company and organization and I represent earn less than $10,000, or no, sorry, 100K dollars, and I'm gonna done here, and it will gonna activate my license. Now come back to that screen where we had agreed on the agreement. I want to show you some things that you can download the older versions of Unity if you want to. So scroll down here for the older versions of the Unity and click on the older version of Unity. Here you will gonna see all the list of the Unities. As you can see, there is all the list of the Unities still made here. So we are gonna go and download the latest one, 2019.1.7. I'm showing you this thing because some people are gonna watch these tutorials afterwards, so they do not have to download that specific version which I'm using. They can download any of the advanced versions, so do not worry about that. So we have downloaded a Unity Hub before. I have Mac, so I'm gonna download Unity installer. If you have Windows, go for Unity installer. So I have Mac. I'm gonna go download Unity installer, and it will give me that, and I'm gonna save it to my computer. So after it downloads it, I'm gonna open it up, and it is extracting, and it has shown me. So I'm gonna double click on it and open it. After that, it is asking me some of the agreements. I'm gonna continue. I agree. So here is the important screen which I wanted to show you. These are the components of the Unity. For example, I am developing a mobile game for iOS, so I also need to download iOS library support. If I'm gonna I'm building my game for Android, so I have to download the support for Android. Well, we're gonna have a very detailed discussion about it, what it is. Still, what you people gonna do is you're gonna select Unity 2019. You're gonna select Visual Studio. It would be for Windows. I have Mac. It would be for Mac, Android build support, and iOS build support. So it would be enough for now. If we're gonna need any other library, we can download it later. Show you how to download it. If you forgot to download any library, you can download it afterwards. So don't worry about it. Just select these four options and just click on continue. As far as you're gonna click on continue, your you will be asked for some other user and agreement, and just continue it, and it will gonna start downloading it. It will take some time depending upon your internet connection, and you will be downloaded with the Unity to your applications, or on your desktop it would be created, and it would have created a shortcut. Just double click on that Unity hub and open it. So I'm gonna open Unity hub, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna see. Yes, these are my previous projects. Don't worry, it would at your side it would be empty because you have new projects. So don't worry about that. So this would be an interface for you. If you are not seeing any of this and you are getting some type of error here, go to the setting buttons. Just select where your Unity application has been installed. For Mac, it is in the application in the Unity folder here. And for the Windows, it is in the C program files in Unity folder. So select that, and this thing will automatically appears. So in the next tutorial, we're gonna learn how to make a new project, and we're gonna learn some other things, what type of a project we want to create. So if you like the videos, just share and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell button.